Coach, are real positive in your season. We know it has not been the best season from Tivoli, but certainly this competition has provided some life, and today a big win over one of the big challenges.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm really happy about the performance today. It's one of our best games, but we need to just keep focused and just go back again on the drawing board tomorrow in training and just keep them level-headed.
What was the inspiration behind this performance, Coach? And I'm going to say you have been doing well in this commission as well.
I think for me, it's just the community on a whole. The people that want to see something good from the team. So I think this is where we'll try to go back and try to give the community the right result.
How much pressure is in on you now, Coach? You are in the league going into the second leg, and certainly, as you know, Dunbeholden will really be coming to them. How much pressure is there? It's
always a lot of pressure playing against Dunbeholden because they're really a good team. So we have to just go out there and be disciplined and try to do the right thing at all time and keep focused.
But certainly, as I say, you will be looking to push on and advance to the semi-final.
Yeah, you have to go with confidence, but you still have to be level-headed and just go out there and work, keep working. Know that we have a next game to go.
Dunbeholden is known to be a more technical, fast, position-based type of team. And today, these guys out-possess them, out-pass them, showed a lot more technicality. What happened? What really clicked?
I think we just tell them to just keep working, and I think that's the motivation today. They just go out there and just try to do the right thing. Bless you.
Respect.